Hello everyone, my name is Dawlat and I'm Turkmen language and literature teacher. Today we are going to study another case, the locative case. In Turkmen language it is called Wagt-orun düşüm. Wagt-orun düşüm. We use this case, students, with a time and place. Wagt is a time and orun is a place. So the suffixes of the accusative case yeniş düşüm is like these: ndanede and da-de. That's all. Ndanede we add after the vowels, and da-de we add after the consonants. That's all what we need to know about these suffixes: ndanede and da-de. Okay. This case answers the questions kim. This case answers the questions kimde, nerede, and nerede. As I told you in the previous video, that the questions also accept the suffixes of that specific case. So we have here the suffixes da, de. So that's why we have the questions kimde, nerede, and nerede. Kimde, nerede, nerede. Upon whom, at what, and where. And where, at what place. If we be more specific, at what place. So it translates to English in various ways depending on the context, but it's roughly the same as the English prepositions. For example, in, at, on. In, at, on. Da-de, you can say it's equivalent with in, at, on in English language. Let's get into the examples and see what we have here. Men Ashgabat'ta yaşayarım. Men Ashgabat'ta yaşayarım. I live in Ashgabat. I live in Ashgabat. Men Ashgabat'ta yaşayarım. And pay attention how I pronounce. I do not say men Ashgabat'da yaşayarım. No. We need to read it more smoothly. Ashgabat'ta. Ashgabat'ta yaşayarım. I live in Ashgabat. So, after the object we add da, de. Ashgabat'ta yaşayarım. Olur hastahanada işleye. Olur hastahanada işleye. Olur they, here it's not he, she, it must be they. Olur hastahanada işleye. Hastahana is a hospital. They work in a hospital. Olur hastahanada işleye. They work in a hospital. And another example, Fin heather nerede. Fin heather nerede. Fin is you, heather. Now, nere, where, and de, where, at what place. Like if we translate suffix by suffix, it would be you, now, at where. At where. Fin heather nerede. Where are you now? Where are you now? So these are examples. We use this suffix as well as the time, as well as the place, and as well as the time, location or place. Let's say that. Fin mektebe neçede gidecek. Fin mektebe neçede gidecek. Let's first of all pay attention to the question neçede. Neçe is a how many, how much. De is the suffix of Wagt-orun düşüm, the suffix of locative case. So neçede gidecek. At what time will you go to school? Gidecek, git is a go, cek is a future tense. Gidecek will go. At what time will you go to school? Then pay attention, pay attention to the suffix which is highlighted with a green. This is the suffix of yöneliş düşüm. If you remember, we studied yöneliş düşüm, and that is, we can say, equivalent to the two in English language. Fin, you, mektep is a school, is the yöneliş düşüm suffix, one of the suffixes of yöneliş düşüm. The yöneliş düşüm has a suffixes nane, a, and e. Fin, mektebe, neçede, gidecek. You, school, to, neçede, at what time, gidecek, will go. At what time will you go to school? Another example, olur saat 10'da gelirler. Olur saat 10'da gelirler. Olur, they, saat, hour. Saat has many meanings. Saat, it's a hour, and saat, not actually many meanings, but let's say at least two meanings. Saat, first meaning is a hour. The second meaning is a watch. Hand watch. The watch on the wall. It's all saat. So all saat, olur saat 10'da gelirler. Saat. Not sagat, no. Saat. Olur saat. By the way, just coming to the etymology of the word, as I said, we have many words from the Arabic language, and these are the perfect, sentences are the perfect examples of my words. Mektep is an Arabic word, mektep, school. Saat, hour or watch, is also Arabic word. We have many words from Arabic, we have many words from the Persian, we have many words from Russian language, and actually, as I think, every language has borrowed words. Every language, because the cultures, the people, they interacted in the past and even now. So we are influenced by someone, and someone, like some cultures, some people, nations influenced by us. So it's a common thing. It's a common thing. It's not something bad and to be worried about. So olur saat 10'da gelirler. Saat is a hour, 10 is a 10. 10 means 10. Da means at. Gelirler. Gel is a come. The suffix of the future tense, as well as the cek. We have two future tenses, like let's say definite and indefinite. Actually, there are just a slightly difference between them. So the first future is cek, another is ar. So olur saat 10'da. I don't say onda. Onda, because of this o. I read it as a o. Olur saat 10'da gelirler. Gel is a come, future tense, ler the personal suffix of they, olur. So they will come at 10. Olur saat 10'da gelirler. At 10. Let's read these examples one more time. Fin mektebe neçede gidecek. Olur saat, not sagat, because it's a gg is in the middle, so that's why saat 10'da gelirler. Olur saat 10'da gelirler. So the next one, we can use cases with pronouns. We can use cases with pronouns. For example, senin kitabın kimde? Kim is a who, de. So if we translate word by word, suffix by suffix, that would be senin. Then you, in your, let's say your, kitap, book, in your, because kitab belongs to the senin. That's why we add after the object in. If you skip it, if you miss it, this grammar, please watch the previous videos and everything would be clear. Kitabın kimde? Again, kitab is a word from Arabic language. Senin kitabın kimde? If we translate this into the English, that would be who has your book? Who has your book? Or if we translate word by word, suffix by suffix, that would be on whom is your book? On whom is your book? That means like who has your book? On whom is your book? Yeah, it sounds weird, but this is how we speak, and this is how we use. And I think it's also important to understand the way when we learn the new language, we need to understand the way the people are thinking, because the language and the thought are interlinked, and we cannot study the language without understanding the culture. We cannot learn the language deeply without understanding the mindset of the people. At the same time, by understanding by learning the language, we understand the mindset of the people. Senin kitabın kimde? Who has your book? On whom is your book? Mende motor yok. Mende motor yok. Mende. Again, men is I, de, like on me. Motor is a motorbike. Yok. Yok means don't have. I don't have a motorbike. Or if we translate in this way, in the word by word or suffix by suffix, it would be on me, motorbike, no. So like this. So I hope you understand. This was almost the last cases. The next class will study the last case of the Turkmen language. For now we finished. So thank you so much. I wish you strong health and good luck. Bye bye.